up, guys, and thank you so much for tuning in to another video, as always, Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now, y'all, in this video, we are keeping it simple with our next hairstyle, and we're going to be doing some perm rods. Alright, so like I let you guys know in the intro, we are going to be doing some perm rods today. We're keeping it basic, simple, and we're only going to use one product to install these rods. So I'm really excited for you guys to see it. If you guys need a detailed video on how to install and properly use and wear perm rods, keep watching because we're about to get it popping right now. Alright, so let me go ahead and take off my towel. I did just get out of the shower. So you can see this is my hair right now, freshly washed. I shampooed, I deep conditioned, and right now I just have the Mielle Organics hair milk in my hair. Let me tell you guys everything that we're gonna need before we actually get started. Of course, like I said, you are gonna need your perm rods. I'm probably just gonna use the orange and the tan ones today, but as you guys can see, I have an array of colors and sizes. And then I'm also going to use a comb. I have my Cosmology comb. I'm going to be using this to part my hair, and then I'll have this link below if you guys want to try it out. I also have my Denman brush so we can do some separating and detangling. I have some clips here because we're going to need to clip some stuff out the way. I told you that I'm only using one product for this perm rod set, and we're going to be using the J Organics Hydro Moisture Curl Boosting Smoothie with Argan Oil and sweet almond oil. So here's the product right here, y'all. I am super excited to get started. I don't really want any parts for my hair, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is just part a front section and a back section. But like, I want a bang, so I'm not gonna have this middle part in my hair. All right, so here is my front section. Ooh, I feel like that took a lot out of me. Guys, I'm dreading how long these are gonna take to dry. I'm actually happy that I don't have anything to do tomorrow, so I can sit in the house all day and just let them dry and take care of what I gotta take care of. But now I have my back section all ready to go, guys. Now, before we get started, something that I like to do on my channel is knock out the back section and then come back on camera when I get to the front, only because you guys really can't see what's going on back here, and I just like to show the front a whole lot better. So what I'm going to do, like I said, knock out the back section, and I will come back on camera when the front section is ready to go, and I'll show you how to install them. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Hey, y'all, so I am back. I just finished the back section, got through that with no problems. It was certainly a breeze, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the front right now. And remember, we don't have a part, so we're just going to be going from one side to the other. Let's start on this side. All right, so I'm going to take my hair down. So I'm just going to go ahead and section off a nice size chunk over here. I love perm rods because you don't have to worry about parting. Parting can really slow up a hairstyle. So for me to not even have to worry about parting, I can really get through this style. All right, so anytime I'm not using hair, I go ahead and just pin it up and out the way. If it stays in this ball, it's going to stay hydrated a lot more if I just kind of have it out. So that's why I always like pinning hair up and out the way if I'm not using it. All right, so the very first thing I'm going to do is take some of the curl boosting smoothie from J Organic Solutions. I have been loving this stuff, by the way, y'all. I really believe you don't need a lot of product to do a perm rod set, so this is perfect for me. I'm just going to take a little bit right here and start to apply that all over that section of hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and detangle with my Denman brush, and this is from Felicia Leatherwood, or my detangling brush. I should not say a Denman brush, a detangling brush. All right. I got my perm rod. So I'm going to go ahead and take my section. I always want to start at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap my ends around the perm rod. And then I'm going to roll over my ends so they're secure. And then I'm going to start to ravel up. And this is how I'm creating the curl. I'm just wrapping my wrists around the hair like that and secure it. Okay? Break it down one more time. So here's the next section of hair right here. Detangle that section. Take it, wrap it around the hair. And I'm going to start to roll up. Rolling up. The more that you wrap, the tighter it becomes, so just be careful. You don't want it to be uncomfortable, but you definitely want to make sure it's snug and secure. So that's how it looks. Boom. Next section of hair. Take everything else and wrap it up and out the way. First thing I'm going to do is grab my J Organics product, take a good amount and put it on my fingers, and then we're going to work it into that section of hair. Okay, just like that. And there's already product on my hair, so I really don't need a lot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pop back some life. And my secret to going fast is already having the entire section prepped. That way you can just break it down into smaller sections like I am right now. I am going to have to switch over to the purple perm rods because I just don't have enough orange ones. The purple ones are a little bit smaller than the orange ones, but since we're at the top, it's fine. We'll just get a little bit more definition. So again, wrapping and securing your ends, looping over your ends so they're not going anywhere. They're nice and snug. And then I'll start to wrap up. Taking down the next section of hair. And we are moving right along, y'all. So this is my next section right here. We're already halfway through that front side. Now again, this is how my hair looks without the product on there. Okay, so we're gonna take a little bit of the product, not too much. I think that's a good amount. And then I'm gonna actually work this on my hands so I can evenly spread it all throughout that section. And here's how it looks with the product in my hair. A little bit more moisturized, so I like it. I'm here for it. So I'm going to go ahead and just detangle that back section. Now what I'm going to do is secure my ends around the rod. Y'all, we are already halfway there. I'm telling you, if you follow that technique of kind of putting the product and detangling the full section before you break the perm rods down into that section, it just goes by so much faster. So let me go ahead and knock out this last little side. Hopefully I don't see my part when I'm done. I'm just going to do my best to unravel at the top. But y'all, so far so good. All right, so I flipped around for you guys so you can see the next final section of hair. If you guys are liking this video, learning a little bit something new about perm rods, then go ahead and like this video and please subscribe. I do all types of curly girl content for you guys, and it's also beginner friendly. All right, so let's go ahead and take down a nice size chunk. Remember, parting doesn't matter. Y'all see my part? The part does not matter. You ain't gonna see the part, the final result, so it's fine. All right, y'all, so we are finally finished my perm rods. They probably took about an hour to install, maybe less. Super simple that I can like get through this with ease. I've been doing perm rods for a few years now, so I've kind of got down a technique that just works best for me. Doing it in sections really helps. Using small sections when you're actually wrapping the rod will help your drying process as well. As long as there's not so much hair wrapped in that rod where it's able to dry in a timely manner, then you'll be fine. Other than that, you might be waiting like a day or two for these rods to dry, especially if you have like low porosity hair, meaning that your hair becomes quickly moisturized and stays moisturized. It might be a little bit harder for you to dry your perm rods, but I'm just gonna let these organically dry, air dry until they're dry. I might be back in a day or two to take them down. I'm happy that I used the Curl Boosting Smoothie by J Organic Solutions, and I will be back when they're dry so we can take these down together. Are you guys excited? Comment below, guys, and show me some love. Just say, hey, I'm listening, I'm watching, and I'm here. All right, guys, I'll be back when they're dry. Deuces. Hey, y'all. So I am back. It's been about a rough 2 days since I've been in my perm rods. I did sleep in them. I put my bonnet on. I just let them air dry. That was it. I didn't sit under any type of dryer, but I believe they're 100% dry. If not, it's been 2 days. We gotta take these out. And yes, I have been sleeping very uncomfortably for anybody that cares. Sleeping in perm rods is no fun. So yes, let's get that out the way right now for anybody who has questions about sleeping in perm rods. You just have to find a comfortable snug spot to go to sleep and kind of just stay there. I did it for 2 days. All right, but without further ado, let's go ahead and take these rods out. Just a little tip, if you guys do have time on your hands, you can always take 1 or 2 rods out, feel if they're dry. If they are dry, continue to take them out. If they aren't, put them back in and sit under a hooded or attachment blow dryer. I don't have one near me, but you can sit under a hooded blow dryer to finish the drying process. You really want to make sure that they're 100% dry so the hairstyle just lasts all week long and it doesn't become like frizzy or poofy over time. The drier it is, the more defined the curls are going to be and last. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and start taking these out. Now, I do have my bag here. I'm making a new bag, y'all, because this bag is wholly and ripped now. It's been around for a few years, so I'll get a new bag, but I'm just going to put my perm rods back in the bag that I found them in. That's how I keep everything really organized with all my hair tools and products. Put them back where you found them. I always start in the back. What I do is unhook the top cap part, roll down a little bit, and then go ahead and start to unravel in the opposite direction that it came in, and bam, just like that. Also, I like to, oh man, we didn't put no oil on our hands, y'all. What's wrong with me? All right, I am gonna put just a little bit of oil on my hands. This is the anti-itching growth serum from Momo's Natural Hair Really Rocks. The closest thing that was to me, so that's what we're using. And you want to put oil on your hands when you're separating your perm rods, so there's no flyaways or tugging or anything like that. I'm just gonna go like that a few times, and I like to separate as I go. It seems tedious, but trust me, when you get to the top, you're gonna be glad that you're done. So that's how much I'm gonna separate them. All right, y'all, so all the orange ones on the back side are fully taken out, and I am so impressed. Okay, we used again the J Organics Hydra Moisture Curl Boosting Smoothie, and this is how it looks right here. You guys can go pick it up on their website, and I'll have it linked below. You don't always need a mousse or a gel to do a perm rod set. A smoothie works just fine, so I'm really happy with the results, guys. So let me go ahead and finish taking out the top part, and then we'll move on to the other side. But so far, so good. And do you see how me separating and then moving on to the next one is already keeping us moving quickly along? I just personally recommend it, but you do what you want. Let's go. All right, y'all, so you see how like the bang is coming through? We did not want to part. I look like such a doll baby with this hairstyle, y'all. And the best part about it is as the days prolong, the hair is just going to get bigger and bigger. So that's why it's really good on day 1 and 2 to take all your pictures of your definition, friend, because throughout the week, the definition will start to slowly go away and the volume will start to come in, which is pretty cool. That's how natural hair works. All right, so what I'm going to do is take out the other side off camera, and I will be right back so you guys can see the final results. All right, guys, so I am back and my hair is fully taken out. Here are the curls. Yay. I feel like I could just do a little dance. Get down tonight. I love me some bouncy curls. I am probably going to wind up picking it just so I can get rid of that line right there. I ain't got no pick. The cosmology comb, but that's not gonna work. I need a pick. I need a pick. I need a pick. A little bit, did a little something, gave me a little bit of height. I'm excited. This is the final look, and the J Organics Curl Boosting Smoothie did that, honey. Did that, honey. A smoothie sure did. This is cute, guys. If you liked what you've seen, if you liked the video, if you like me installing the perm rods, if you like the product that I used, everything again will be linked down below. But go ahead and subscribe to your girl's channel. We do all things natural hair over here. I love showing you guys heat-free hairstyles on how to take care of your natural hair. This is my journey and I'm just sharing it with you. So go ahead and subscribe, friend. But without further ado, guys, I have shown you everything from the look. Make sure you guys stay tuned on my Instagram stories where I do daily updates of my hair, how I'm going to style it throughout the week. So if you want to see more content like that, go ahead and follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at as always Aleia, y'all. But without further ado, guys, I am going to let you guys go because you have seen the entire process, and stick around for more. Guys, my name is Aleia. This is as always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.